Hi friends, it's Julia. Today I'm playing along with Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches Round 7, and today is day 30. It is the last day of this series. Oh my god, I can't believe I've made it through the entire thing. So, let me show you what today's sketch is. It's this, and I don't know who the creator of this sketch was. Christy sent it out to us, and this is what we got, so I'm not sure where it came from. It's obviously a Christmas sketch with Santa Claus going here and ornaments and presents. And if you've been watching my series so far, then you know I'm not scrapping Christmas. I'm scrapping summer photos and lake photos with mini golf, and yeah. So I'm going to start with this one, and we'll see what we create using this as our base. This one has a cluster here, this cluster that goes across the page, and then this cluster here beside the photo. So what I have done is I have pulled together tons of scraps. I don't know if I'm going to make circles like I did with the last circle layout. I don't know, but I pulled plenty of scraps in case that's what I decide to do. I pulled a bigger piece of cardstock that I had left over to map my photo. I pulled in another large scrap that I have left over, and then I pulled in this sheet as my background sheet. So we'll see what I can create with this. The back side is that floral paper. Super pretty. Embellishment wise, I have pulled in this alphabet. I have pulled in this sticker sheet. I have pulled in 4 sets of washi strips. These, what's left of those, these, and there's actually 2 of that one. I want to try and get used what I can from those. I pulled in 3 sets of label stickers. I only have 1, 2, 3 left on here. I hope to get all 3 of those used up this time. There's quite a few left on both these sheets, so I want to get some used. I have 1 chipboard piece left on here. You know my goal is to use that. This set of chipboard pieces, I have these 2 large hearts. I would love to be able to get at least one of these used. And then, oh, there's another set of label stickers too. This is a Felicity Jane set, and I still have quite a few on here of the smaller ones. I pulled in these coaster board embellishments. I pulled in these for a title. Whether I use it or not, I don't know. I pulled in this set of stickers, this set of stickers, and this set of stickers. So you can see I have tons and tons to play with. So I just have to get busy and start creating. So I will show you a close-up of the sketch that I'm using, and then I will be back to show you what I have created in just a minute. So stick around. This is the last layout in the Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches Series 7. This is layout number 30, and it's done. This actually started off as a Christmas themed layout, and of course I changed things up. So let me show you what I did. First, I'll show you what I didn't use. I did not use these titles to create a title. I did not use either of these label stickers. I did not use these stickers. I was unable to use those final 2 pieces of chipboard. And so I don't know that I'm going to keep these. These are probably going to go into my do not want bin, or one that the kids can go through. So we'll see. But I think I'm probably going to be getting rid of those. These are the papers. I had pulled in all those scraps. And these are what I have left as far as scraps go. And I have this sheet of scrap paper. And these are what I did use. I did use the pink to back the photo. I did use bits of each of these. I did use these candy dots from Stampin' Up! And these puffy stickers from Felicity Jane. I used my last, do you see that? I used my last little chipboard piece here from Freckled Fawn. I did use this title, or this alpha font, to create a title. I did use both sets of labels. I used these up, so those labels are done. And I did use one of these labels. I did not use any further of these, but I have one little banner sticker here, a little bow here, and an ampersand here. Oh, I take that back. I did use a gold arrow. I'm done with these. I'm not going to keep what's left on there. So that can go into the recycle bin. Washi strips. I used the one here and one here. So of that sheet, that's all that I have left. And then I have a partial of this one and then all the others. Of this sticker sheet, you can see I used the heck out of that. This sheet is completely empty and I have just a couple little hearts here, a partial, and a partial, and 1, 2, 3, 4 whole strips. This sticker set, I have 2 full strips and a partial on this one. I did use the hearts. These little hearts and these larger hearts on this sheet. I did use the flower pieces that I had here, here, and here from this sticker sheet. And on this one, I did use the phrase beautiful. And this sticker sheet, I used the 5-star rating here. So here is the layout that I created. I really like how this one came out. It is different than the original layout, but you can see it has the same feels. I did not make the banner strip that went across the middle, but I carried my title into the middle to give it more texture here. You can see the title it shows is here, and it had lots of layers behind this photo. And it looks like it carried it all the way to the edge of the paper. Same here. This started at the top edge of the paper. And it had you journaling along here. So I just left all of these areas empty. I layered my papers. I put all of my strips back here. I added floral embellishments. I added labels, candy dots, stickers, puffy stickers, my title, and yeah, my chipboard piece and another sticker there. So I feel like even though it mimics or feels like the original, it's different and it works for me. And that's the thing, when you work with a sketch, you need to be able to see what the layout is, but then be able to modify it to what you want it to be. If you're not working with Christmas or Christmas photos, why make a Christmas layout? Same if I were working with mountain photos, I wouldn't want to make it a beach layout. You know what I mean? So work with what you have, make it what you need it to be. Don't be locked into this embellishment of Santa Claus and reindeer, or these Christmas ornaments, or these presents. Make it what you need it to be, and that's what I've done here. I like the way this turned out, and the best part is I am done. I have done 30 layouts in 30 days. Whew, yeah. So I encourage you, if you're interested in seeing what I have created, go over to my YouTube channel and check out the playlist, hashtag 30DSCBL7, and it will show you all the other layouts that I have created during this series. Also, if you haven't been over to Christy's Facebook channel, head over there and see what everybody is putting on her page. It is amazing the inspiration that you get, and you can do these layouts anytime. You don't have to do them just during the month of March. She's going to leave them up. There's a specific album for them, and so you can come back to it at any point. Anyway, friends, I appreciate you being here. I appreciate you sticking with me through this entire series, and I will see you on the next layout. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.